What's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Suazo. If you're new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of the home decor that I own that I purchased at the thrift store. So basically, this is a thrift store haul home decor edition. I just wanted to do this video because I wanted to share with you guys my thrift store finds and just all the things that I found at the thrift store. Thrift stores are honestly a lifesaver when it comes to home decor because home decor is very expensive, whether it's furniture or things around the house. It could just add up. So I like to go to thrift stores every now and then to see like what I can find that is, you know, a little bit more affordable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe so you can stay tuned with all the other videos that I post on this channel. Let me know how you like this video by giving it a thumbs up. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys what I found. I found some very awesome stuff. So if you're interested, let's get started. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with one of the biggest purchases that I got at the thrift store that I was so happy to find, and it's this chair that I'm sitting in right now. This chair I found at the thrift store, which was the Salvation Army thrift store, and I got this chair for $35, which is actually very, very affordable for a nice comfy chair like this. It's in great shape. It has like that corduroy style and patterning, and I just love how antique this chair looks. I was looking for a chair for my loft to film in, and I was going to IKEA, I was looking on Wayfair, and I was looking on so many places online, but literally there was no chair that was under $200, and I was like, I'm not gonna spend $200 on a chair. So I found this one at the thrift store for $35, and when I saw it, at first I was like, man, this is such a nice antique, you know, chair. And then I thought about how I would style it, so I added like a pillow. It adds a lot of character to this chair because it is pretty bland just like this, but I just love this right here, just how like antique it looks. It's my favorite. Now I'm going to show you guys kind of the smaller purchases that I got, like that aren't furniture related but are still home decor. First small little purchase that I made was this book right here, and this is The Blank Slate by Steven Pinker. I've never read this book ever in my life, but I just like the back end of this book and how it has like the black and gold lettering. So when I will show you here basically where I have it in the house and how I style it. But this is one of my favorite finds, and this book was only $1.50. I just like to go to the thrift store and find books that are cheap, that probably I've never read before, but have a really nice aesthetic. So this was one of them. I basically just purchased it because it looks aesthetically pleasing, and I thought that it would match just kind of the decor that we have at the house. We have very minimal, very like neutral colors, so I thought this would add a really nice character to the coffee table. But I actually am using it on one of the bookshelves that we have in the living room, which I really love this book. So the other thing that I found at the thrift store is this little vase right here, and it's just a white little vase, and I like the shape of it. I think this shape adds a really cool character to, again, the coffee table, and this was $2.99. I will show you guys how I styled this on the coffee table. I just put some greenery on it, and I think that it's really cute. It's really nice, and vases could go for a lot depending on where you purchase it. So I really liked finding this little white vase for $2.99, and it's honestly like really good quality. So vase for $2.99. The next thing that I purchased at the thrift store is this little basket right here. This basket is so cute, you guys. It's like a nice little storage basket, and it's in really good quality because honestly sometimes at the thrift store when you find pieces when it's made out of this material, it can be very low quality because, you know, these things wear out, but this is in great quality, and I purchased this for $3.99. I really wanted to get this basket because on our TV stand it looks super messy when we have a bunch of controls and games and stuff out, so this is what I use to really store all of that stuff. I saw this, I was like, oh my goodness, I'm getting it for $3. These, if you go to Target, you try to purchase one of these, they're probably like over $10–15. And so when I found this, I was like, I need to purchase it. Our living room is very minimal, literally gray, black, and white, and so I feel like I want to add some more of these rustic pieces because I feel like it's going to add a little bit more character to the living room because right now it's a little bit minimal. So I'm on the lookout to purchase some more of these just in different sizes so that it really adds, you know, more organization to the living room. The next thing that I'm going to show you guys is the coffee table that we have. I purchased this coffee table for $13, guys. I think this was like a play table for like a little kid's room, but this is originally what it looked like. I don't have a really good picture of it before because I didn't take a picture of it before, but this is what it looked like before, and I purchased it for $13. And basically I just revamped it like this, and now this is what it looks like. And it's not our ideal coffee table. We're looking to get a new one very soon, but again, like I mentioned, Furniture is very expensive. There's like no coffee table out there that's under $100. So we settled for this one that's $13. And we've been using it in the meantime. All I did was I stained the legs and the bottom pieces, and then I just used marble contact paper to put it over the top. But yeah, this is a home piece that I found at the thrift store, and I am not complaining. We've been using it since the beginning, and we are looking to get a new one, but for now this is more than enough for us. A $13 coffee table, that is bargain. This is like one of my favorite thrift store finds ever, is that coffee table. Saves us a lot of money and it still adds like that style to the living room without having to break your wallet. My other thrift store find is this little caged little bird cage. This is so adorable. When I saw this, I was like, man, this would be so cute to just have around the house, because I think that it adds like a really nice just style. So where I place this is in my bookshelf, because I need some more character in my bookshelf, because I don't actually have books there. It's just like open case where I film in front of. So I love this piece, and this was only $1.50. I think it's originally meant to be like hung somewhere with like something inside of it, but I just use it just like this, very plain, and I just use it like that. I love the detail right here. It's like a really nice like antique detail, and it's a pretty good shape. Honestly, if you place this anywhere, even on top of a coffee table or something like that, it adds really nice character. So I'm glad that I picked it up for only $1.50. So now I'm going to show you guys the final piece that I purchased at the thrift store. This is my most recent purchase from the thrift store, and it's probably the best purchase that I've ever made at the thrift store. And this is a ladder shaped bookshelf, and I got this for $30. $30 at the thrift store. It's like hard to find a bookshelf like this under $100 or even under $200, because these are so expensive. And I love how sturdy and nice and in good shape it is. So for $30, I literally, it was a steal. Like I grabbed it as soon as I got to the thrift store. I'm still working on decorating like the different pieces of it, but for now this is what it's looking like. I just put a fur rug under there and then just put some little pieces in there. I have the book that I mentioned before. I have a candle, some flowers, and just this clock. I wanted to keep it very minimal, so I'm looking for more white pieces, maybe more white books to put on there. But for now, this is what it's looking like, and I love it. Okay, so I completely forgot to mention this chair that I purchased the most recent time that I went to the thrift store. And I don't know how I forgot, because this is one of my favorite finds. They're all my favorite finds, but this chair in particular, when I saw it, I was like, yo, I'm going to get this chair. But the chair, when it was there, it didn't have the price on it. So I asked the guy, like, how much is this chair? And he was looking around trying to find the price, and the price wasn't on there. So when he told me it was $16, I was like, I'm getting it. I don't know where I'm going to place it, because we don't have a lot of space in our living room to place an additional furniture. But I was like, I'm going to figure it out. Maybe we can put it in the basement or something. So I purchased it, right, and I was at checkout, and it turns out that they were having a 50% off sale, so it was really $8.50. So I got this modern gray, beautifully shaped, and in good shape chair for $8.50. I could not pass up. I was like, I'm purchasing it, and I got it. So this is how I have it styled right now in the living room, and it has just a pillow on top, just again to add some character to it, and I love it. I think it's a great addition to our living room, and I love it. I love this chair so much. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed all the home decor finds that I got at the thrift store. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to stay tuned with everything else that I post on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!